establish the identity 1 over 1 plus sine plus 1 over 1 minus sine equals 2 secant square. Obviously the left hand side is more complicated as we have two fractions to combine, so we want to start from the left hand side. So here left hand side is, let me copy this down, leaving some room here, leave some room because when we combine we have to make common denominator. Okay, 1 over 1 plus sine theta plus 1 over 1 minus sine theta. By the way, 1 plus sine theta is a block, same thing here. Now we want to combine these two fractions. For we have to make common denominator. For we multiply second fraction by the bottom of the first, so 1 plus sine theta over 1 plus sine theta. Okay, is a block. Same thing here, we want to multiply first fraction by the bottom of the second, that is 1 minus sine theta. So 1 minus sine theta over 1 minus sine theta. Okay, in this way we have the same bottom now, 1 minus sine and 1 plus sine, 1 minus sine, 1 plus sine. So 1 minus sine theta, 1 plus sine theta. This product is the common denominator. On the top, 1 minus sine theta times 1, so just 1 minus sine theta plus, so whenever we have plus sign then we don't have to worry about anything about putting parentheses around. If this sign were negative, then we had to put parentheses around or distribute that negative, but in this case good news, plus. So 1 times 1 plus sine theta is just 1 plus sine theta. And whenever we combine two fractions we simplify the top first, negative sign plus sign cancel, and that leaves 1 plus 1, it's 2 on the top. On the bottom, 1 minus sine, 1 plus sine. Okay, let's multiply. Okay, 1 minus sine, 1 plus sine, just FOIL 1 plus sine times 1 minus sine. Okay, when we multiply, FOIL 1 minus sine plus sine minus sine square. Just to cancel, 1 minus sine square. Okay, so when we multiply these two factors we get 1 minus sine square theta. That is 2 over 1 minus sine square, that's cosine square, because we know that sine square plus cosine square is 1. Okay, if we subtract sine square from both sides we get cosine square equals 1 minus sine square. So we need to know this formula, and now we can change 1 minus sine square into cosine square. So this is in fact 2 times 1 over cosine, we can think in that way, and 1 over cosine is secant, and square secant square, and that's what we want in the right hand side. Okay, we had secant is reciprocal of cosine, and we have that. So 2, we can think 2 is 2 times 1, and 1 over cosine is secant, so 2 stays there, 1 over cosine is secant, and we do have a square, secant square theta. That's the secant theta times secant theta, which is the right hand side.